G'day all. So this is progress on board number 1, and the road is being put in, and the walkway, footpath, all the lining's being done. See there's a slight pattern on here which is just done with a sponge sander, so it gives you that light thing. And then this is just one thickness of 3mm MDF, and then there's another 3mm here. Now the reason for that is that this pub is the pub from Barkoola. I've had to make sure that there's a cut in here so that the proper base for the pub, which Glen already has, fits in this location. So you'll see it moves a tiny bit. So this area here underneath the road actually comes out, so it's a little bit of a party trick. Let me just move that out of the way. And I got this in the kitchen simply because yesterday and possibly today days that have temperatures that don't start with 2 digits. There you go. So you just pull this out, see there? So the base of the pub actually sits underneath this, like that. I've had to use a router to get the 3mm MDF down to about 1.5 mm, and therefore that gives this, so there's the Barkoola base, or whatever you want to call it there. And then you can just put it back in, so it just sort of slides in and slides out. So it just slides in. I'll just put that up there. And there we go. And then that slides all the way in, like so. And there you are. Bit of a party trick. I'm reasonably happy with the end result. The road come out really well. So this is, I painted everything white and then masked it. I masked it last night. It took a fair while to do all the masking. The road work there. All I used is Google Maps, and then just use their measuring device to figure out the sizes and the differences between each one of these and make sure they're evenly spaced. And same deal here, that these are evenly spaced, and you think, wow, that's really wide. Is that really prototypical? The answer is yes. And that's the beauty of using a location that really exists, is that you just use what's there. And sometimes I've had to do a bit of different things here. So this here, when it comes in on the angle, that's a bit sharper than what it should be. End result still looks okay. The distances here, you'll see their scale. So there's 2 big ones, and then as you get closer there's a shorter one, and then there it is there. So, but there you go. That's the board from that angle, and from this angle. So I'm just letting this part of the board dry. It's all pretty good. Alrighty, okay. Well, there you are. I'm sort of glad I did this board here. It's make a big difference. Obviously, I just got to put vegetation here and over there and so forth. That needs to. I'll just put a coat of sort of green grass type, this sort of area here. I don't need to do any more than that at this stage. If it goes to another exhibition, well then that's probably when I'll start doing the trees and so forth. I do have them. There you go. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Just do a bit of a run around. There's this side here. All good ski. All right, take it easy.